Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix wants and MMS messages on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, check your network. You will see. After check your network, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn off mobile data and make sure turn on mobile data. After turn on mobile data, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click on hot side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on general management. Click on reset and reset network setting. Reset setting, enter phone pin. Click on continue. Again tap on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.